Well, where it's going right now is into like a massive patent arms race where, you know, companies like Kodak go bust and Apple and Google has to buy their patent portfolio to provide a defense around patents, or Google buys Motorola because of their patent portfolio, or Apple and Samsung are just spending millions and millions of dollars fighting each other on, you know, patent issues and all that sort of stuff. So I think intellectual property is, you know, obviously extremely important to protect, but also extremely important to not let the world be run by lawyers. You know, that's because they just kind of ruin everything in some ways. So I think it's an important thing, but most of the companies that have often created the greatest value have not been particularly patent rich. We'll back to the R&D question. They're not necessarily massive R&D investors, because there's this technology that happens and then you get that technology in. The cameras, these cameras were to do the equivalent, full frame HD. That was a $250,000 camera like 5 years ago to do that, and now it's $4,000 or $1,500 or something. So it's who's making money out of that in IP level, I'm not entirely sure, but protecting people's rights is important for the innovation. I think New Zealand does that well. Overseas markets are variable. Don't know if that answers your question.